Bindal Makwana, who is from Idaho State University.
Concussions, unfortunately, are a common injury in athletics. Specifically, with high school athletes, about 5 to 9% of injuries are sports-related concussions. As a whole, we're trying to find ways to improve detection of concussions and help our athletes, parents, coaches, and team physicians and athletic trainers make difficult split-second decisions in a high-stress, real-time environment on the sideline. Many symptoms of concussions are invisible to us, so we look at other ways to help us detect. Neuropsychological measures are tools that examine the brain and its behaviors or functions. Literature suggests that neuropsychological measures are able to detect changes immediately following a concussion and could be predictive of concussions moving forward. So I wondered how I could examine the utility of neuropsychological measures in practice and game settings. These tools are already available to athletics departments, and it's really cool that we can task the brain in different ways and examining functioning to see what that individual is experiencing. With the help of an interdisciplinary team, I was able to create a novel study that utilized an iPad-based neuropsychological battery called C3 Logics. We use this battery to collect sideline data in real time, so in a more naturalistic setting for all high school athletes in the region who were suspected of a head injury. I used this neuropsychological data to see how it predicted to the athlete's diagnosis, concussion or no concussion. We collected this data in 64 high school athletes and found that the reaction time and symptom checklist were significant predictors of concussion outcome. So this means that athletes with a concussion were taking longer to complete tasks and endorsing more symptoms associated with a head injury as compared to athletes who actually did not have a concussion. So in this, we were 85% correct in identifying individuals without a concussion as actually not having a concussion, and 71% accurate in identifying the athletes who had a concussion. These findings are clinically significant and may indicate that neuropsychological measures could improve diagnosis, maybe by adding these measures alongside vision, balance, and other tests conducted on the sidelines, which could be really meaningful and helpful for the entire treatment team and the athletes. Concussions present in such a unique way, and while these findings are not so large or conclusive, I feel that this is a step in the right direction to see how to implement objective neuropsychological measures in real time. Proper diagnosis leads to proper care and correct return to play and return to learn protocols. So moving forward, I hope to build upon this research and inform guidelines for youth athletics in order to increase the safety and the well-being of our athletes. Thank you.
Great, thank you. So this is a timely piece of information for me personally, because just a weekend ago, my father got a concussion skiing, downhill skiing, and we didn't have anything at our fingertips to really know for sure what was wrong with him. And so I'm wondering if you perceive this work you're doing, could it be just turned into like an app on someone's phone?
So the app that I technically used an app in this project.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yeah, and so there are some apps out there. It's just the interpretation piece that's difficult, because if we disseminate this app to tons of people just every day, we might get a lot more false positives or, the opposite. And so I don't know that we're quite there yet.
So you need the brains behind the app to be more accurate before you're ready for that. What got you interested in this subject?
What got me interested?
Yeah.
So I actually had a head injury dancing a long time ago, and then that kind of spiraled into, well, I really like working with brains and psychology, and so kind of found this little niche between neuropsychology and sports medicine.
That's excellent. I think this is really important work, and all the schools now have all these protocols. Have you been working directly with any of the high schools and the trainers and people like that?
Yeah, so it was basically the southeastern Idaho region, so all the different high schools in that area. So I worked with, for my master's thesis, I had worked with the ISU athletes, and now I transitioned to the high schools in the area.
Great, great. This is wonderful work. Well, thank you so much. You did a great job. Good luck.
Thank you.